You guys, I've had these contacts since like February and I haven't reviewed them yet, and I'm like, oh my god, I gotta review these contacts because they're amazing. They are the Topsface HD brown colored contacts and the Topsface iris green colored contacts. Enjoy the review. Hi everyone, miss me? I'm sure you did. For all of you who are new, hi, my name is Lizette and welcome to our channel. If you've been watching me for a while, thank you so much for watching. Now I'm going to jump right into this review, and this review is about the Topsface iris green colored contacts and the Topsface HD brown colored contacts. Here are what the contacts look like with artificial lighting, in room lighting, and in the natural sunlight. Okay, so what did you guys think? Let me know in the comment section down below. You guys know how much I love to read your comments and respond to your comments and see what you all think about these colored contacts. Now, I've reviewed Topsface before. Occasionally they reach out to me and they send me lenses for review for you all, just to see which ones you like or which ones you want to try. So the two pairs that I selected are the iris green and the HD brown colored contact lenses, because I was super interested to see how they would look, considering TTDEYE has colored contact lenses similar to these. So I wanted to see how these look and possibly in the future compare them to TTDEYE. Let me know if you want to see a review or a comparison of these two contact lenses. Now let me tell you what I think about these contact lenses and let you know which ones are my favorite while I do up close shots as usual. Now I do have a discount code with Topsface. I'm going to put it on the screen right here. Here are the specs for these lenses. You guys all know about Topsface's company. You guys all know about Topsface. I will put a link in the description box down below, so make sure you check it out. Click on it and it'll take you straight to their website. Now let me tell you which ones I love the most, which this was actually very hard because I actually do love both of these contacts for different reasons. But I have to say the ones that I love the most are the Topsface iris green contact lenses. I actually love these so much more than the TTDEYE ones because I feel like the pattern on these lenses is so light. It's a really nice wash of a light lime green and a very light lemon kind of color with a deep green, and I believe it blends very well with my own natural eyes. You can't even tell in room lighting or in the natural sunlight that I'm wearing these contact lenses. These lenses also remind me so much of a pair of contact lenses that I reviewed super long ago on my channel. I reviewed the Adore Bitone Yellow contact lenses, and these lenses remind me so much of them. So if you're looking for a nice blend of green and you want it to enhance or brighten your own natural eyes, I think that these contacts would be perfect for you. Do you see how they look in natural light? Like, they look so realistic. Like, I was so stunned. When I put them in my eyes, I said, these are my favorite ones. These are my favorite ones. I love these lenses. They're so comfortable. You don't even feel them. They kind of like melt right into your eyes. and they look so natural, so natural. And that's what I love the most about these contacts. With artificial lighting, I feel like you can probably see the pattern a little bit more. If I look really close up, you can see the pattern a little bit more. But in natural sunlight and in room lighting, they're so undetectable. Like, you can't even really tell that I'm wearing contacts. And I love that about these lenses. Now let me get into the second pair that I liked as well. I also love the HD brown contact lenses. They do kind of remind me of the TTDEYE HD brownness contact lenses, except I think the TTDEYE ones are a little bit brighter. These blend extremely well with my own light brown eyes, as you can see in natural sunlight. They also remind me a lot of the Colorcl Iris Hazel contact lenses that I reviewed previously here on my channel. And they blend very well with my own light brown eyes. And for me, I love contacts that kind of enhance my own light brown eyes, not blend so much with it to the point that I'm like, am I even wearing contacts? And that's why this is my second pair of favorite contact lenses from them, because they blend so well and they look very natural. But for me, it's almost like a little bit too natural, if you know what I mean. Let me know if you get what I mean in the comment section down below. It's like, I do kind of still want my eyes to pop and stand out and not look so like, I still do want my eyes to pop and stand out. I do want the contacts to add a little bit of oomph to them, but these, I feel like it adds a little bit of oomph, but not a lot, or not enough for my taste, if you know what I mean. I'm very picky when it comes to contact lenses, in case you haven't noticed. But let me know which ones are your favorite of these two in the comment section down below. I feel like Topsface is very underrated. I feel like in terms of a contact lens company, I don't really see too many people talking about them here on YouTube. I've done a video previously where I reviewed 2 pairs of lenses from them, or a pair of lenses from them. I will link it in the cards up above and description box down below. It's when they first reached out to me on Instagram and they wanted me to try out their contact lenses. I feel like they're so underrated though. I feel like more companies are more prevalent, and I feel like Topsface really does have good contact lenses. So check them out. Let them know I sent you. As usual, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It helps me out a lot and I really do appreciate it. If you want to look and feel beautiful, know about the latest fashion trends, keep up with the beauty community news, and live a fun and healthy lifestyle, make sure you hit that red subscribe button and click the bell notification to be notified of when I upload. Thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to follow me on my social medias, where I usually post more pictures of my colored contact lenses and all other beauty related content over there. So follow me on my Instagram. I usually put all my social medias throughout my video and the description box down below, so make sure you check that out. Let me know what you think about Topsface. Let me know which ones are your favorite out of these 2 contact lenses. Let me know which other ones I should try from them if you have any other recommendations. And thank you all so much for watching. Thank you for your support, and I will see you in my next video. Bye! Somewhere the pages start to turn, and somebody whispers, I need this. I will do anything just to make you see. Don't apologize for what's in your dreams. Maybe this time will be different. It's only us. It's only us. It's only us There is a beacon in the
the temple